In this video, we cover how to put a baby in a car seat properly. We will learn about important items to consider when we buckling a baby in a car seat. And we finish with a great free and hands-on resource available on baby car seat. And we start right now. Alright, the first step in putting your baby in the car seat with the harness is to make sure the straps are loose. Most car seats have a tail here, and if you follow the tail to where it starts, you will find the tab. You need to push down or lift the tab to release the lock. At the same time, pull the shoulder strap with your other hand to make them loose. A good practice is to always make the harness loose when you take the child out. This way, it is ready to go when you want to put the baby in and you are already running late. Unbuckle the straps. Take the baby and put them in the seat. Your baby's back and bottom should be flat against the car seat. Do not put anything behind or underneath them. Put the straps over the shoulder. Make sure that the harness straps are at or just below your baby's shoulder. In a rear-facing seat, the harness height should be at or slightly below the shoulders. In a forward-facing seat, the harness height should be at or slightly above the shoulders. Many parents think harness straps are a set it and forget it item, but we need to adjust the harness height as baby grows. It is not only dangerous to have poorly adjusted strap, but also can make it difficult to get the child in and out of the seat over time. If the strap height is incorrect, it can increase the amount the child's body is allowed to move in a crash. Adjust the harness height if needed. Some like this one is an externally adjusted harness, which is easier to use. Some other seats have a reed thread harness. They have to be removed from a car in order to adjust the harness height. Alright, buckle the 5-point harness properly like this. As you see, you can pinch the harness strap at your baby's shoulder. You need to tighten the harness as this is not acceptable. Let's tighten the harness so it is snug. Do the pinch test again to make sure you cannot pinch the harness strap at your baby's shoulders. The last step is to position the chest clip to be level with your baby's armpits. An important bonus point on a great resource that is available for us. Whether you just installed the car seat or need help installing or using one, get help at a car seat inspection station near you. Certified technicians will inspect your car seat free of charge in most cases and show you how to correctly install and use it. I put links on how to find a station near you for location in the US, Canada and the UK in the description below. Please leave a comment below on other locations or resources available for us, and I make sure to add them to the list. Remember, this is not like getting an oil change on your car where you leave the car and go. Working with a certified technician is usually a one-to-one learning experience to make sure you get as much learning as possible through the session. Question for you: have you ever tried these services? Yes, no, maybe? Leave a comment below and let me know. By the way, while the car seat industry is fairly regulated, each vehicle and car seat is somewhat different. Also, to make the matter more confusing, the regulations are of course not the same everywhere. So, it is important to review your vehicles and car seat manuals.